Matito, are you eating with a fork? Yeah? Good job. First time with a fork. Javi, good job. First time with a fork at 18 months on August 1st, 2010 with a real fork, toddler fork. You guys are eating chicken and mashed potatoes and hardly any vegetables. Mateo, let me see you. Oh, let me flip the camera. What? Good job, Matito. Hey, you. What's wrong? You want some agua? Agua. Okay, I'm going to get you some agua. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera. Besos. Matito, besos. Besos, Matito.